Okay, good early evening. It is day 122 of coding every day. So today, I ended up getting the official rejection from that internship, which is quite, you know, disappointing. Um, I'm still gonna apply to stuff because there might still be some stuff open, but I doubt I'll get anything. So I ended up accepting the REU today. Actually, literally just 5 minutes ago, I sent it because I mean, there's a chance like tomorrow, because tomorrow was the last day to accept it. That maybe another REU that I would like better maybe would give me an offer. But if that happens, I mean, I guess I'll just tell them, oh, never mind, I just got a better offer. So yeah, not the result that I wanted going into this summer, but um, you know, can't can't have everything go right. Um, except most things haven't gone right, so it's not like everything else has gone right. But anyways, so yeah, accepted that. Wednesday is my demo for computer architecture, so my partner's working on the execute memory access and write back stages right now. I'll probably check after I record this right now if he's pushed more code so I can start working on visualizing the pipeline in the UI. But for what I did today, I had a computer system principles project due. Actually, not the full project, the first three parts. There's still an LRU portion to it. Um, so, excuse me. Because I'm in computer architecture, this was pretty a simple project. It was initializing a cache basically, which we already did for the first part of our project, computer architecture. So I actually kind of reference what we just already have in code. I kind of tab throughout the video, just looking at our current project. Um, but it was just going through making making the lines in a block and then making sets and having how many other verb blocks you have, and then there was kind of decoding address strings was the second part of the tasks that I had for this project, which was literally just at first you can actually see I mess up and I kind of I think I did like a shift of like 25 characters because I was assuming that the block size was 3 and the tag was 4 bits. Um, but you pass through that as an argument, so I actually had to reference the fields within the cache struct to see what was entered, and then based off that, I make a mask for those bits and then return that. Um, so yeah, that was a pretty simple project. Like it only took me about an hour full and full. I paused a few times because I was having actually a lot of trouble because I'm on Windows today because for some reason my Debian dual boot on this computer is not working right now. So I was doing it on Windows and the make file is for Linux based systems. So my make file wasn't working, so I had to go on my laptop for a bit and do run the make file on there because it worked. So yeah. Um, so next, so tomorrow and today is kind of just going to be focused on computer architecture, um, and then after that linear algebra personally, and then I mean I guess more computer architecture videos. I feel like actually after this demo, my computer architecture, like, because there's not a lot to do after this. I mean, there's like maybe we can do branch prediction or we can do encryption. But outside that, I kind of want to start a new project, like personal project. But I don't know what yet. I think more so I want to look into what post grad looks like in terms of like job opportunity stuff. And what I want to be targeting because it's not just going to be general software engineering. I won't get anywhere. So kind of looking at what projects might be good, and what field particular. But yeah, that is it. I will see you tomorrow for day 123. Yeah, bye.